Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change language in Roblox. Why would you want to know how to change language in Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to change language in Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to change language in Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instruction. Changing language on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on button having three dots. Now click on settings. Click on account info. Scroll down. Here you are seeing language. Select any language from here. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change language in Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.